Alright, I have Soylent version 1.4 here, and I'm going to do the Blindfold challenge so that I can win a free t-shirt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to prepare my breakfast with this blindfold on, and then I'm going to drink my breakfast, and then I'm going to solve this Rubik's Cube still with the blindfold on, hopefully. Okay, here we go. Wait, I need the blindfold. So this is the container and the top. Opening it up. Pouring it in. So the actual recipe calls for water first, but that just takes more time. And then I always get like my Soylent to come up to the top and it's a problem. So I'm doing Soylent first and then water. Okay. Hopefully this is not spilling everywhere. Okay. Delicious. Okay, and one more thing of water. Oh my gosh. Hopefully I can get this. Maybe. Okay. Now I can have my breakfast. Finally. Wow. Okay. And hopefully this will be successful. Alright. Oh, awesome! I'm done! Cheers!